My name is Dr. Ted Mills. I'm an associate professor of pharmacology and toxicology here at the University of Texas at Austin's College of Pharmacy. The umbrella focus of the work in my lab is really focused on metabolism, and that's basically how cells use fuels and convert them into usable energy. And we study metabolism basically from two focus areas. The first is obesity. On the other end of the spectrum, cancer. The latest studies from the Centers for Disease Control suggest that approximately a third or more of our adults are obese and approximately 25% or more of our children are obese. One of the things we know is that if we can stimulate heat production in the body, we can basically cause weight loss, because if you're making heat, you're using energy to do that. We have a variety of ways we can make mice overweight, and then we can see how gene changes in these mice might affect their susceptibility to gain weight on a high-fat diet. So we use a combination of nutritional approaches and genetic approaches to try to understand how obesity develops and how we might be able to stop its development. Currently, most of our anti-cancer drugs target dividing cells for killing. Well, the problem with targeting division to kill cells is that you have a lot of normal body cells that divide all the time too. So what you're doing is killing a lot of normal cells, and that makes patients very, very, very sick. And we still have done little to really offer a more effective cancer cure. The bottom line is we need new and effective therapies. One of the ways in which cancer therapies can be improved is by heating the tumors or heating the cancer cells using a variety of methods, and there are more than 200 clinical trials looking at the effectiveness of heat therapies for cancer. One of the things that we've done is to engineer mice to overexpress one of these thermogenic proteins. We wanted to look at how we might influence cancer development. So the way we do that is to basically take normal mice and our genetically modified mice, and we subject these mice to cancer-causing chemicals on the skin. So then we watch tumor development over a period of a half a year or so. And what we found is by increasing this protein in the skin, we've actually blocked the development of cancer almost completely in these mice. And so now the task is to figure out how that protein has caused such a profound cancer resistance. So the hope is that we can develop drugs that are a lot safer and a lot more effective. What we're trying to do is to basically learn new things about how normal metabolism works and to apply that new knowledge to basically advance our treatments of diseases that are related to metabolism, ranging from obesity on the one hand to cancer on the other. I think while it's unclear yet, because we're a relatively young lab, exactly where our discoveries are going to take us, what I know is that we're focusing on important questions. I'm Dr. Ted Mills at the University of Texas College of Pharmacy, and what starts here changes the world.